There is a wisdom older than medicine, a healing hidden in plain sight, placed by the Creator in nature itself. Welcome to Architektonis Naturopathicus, where restoration begins with nature's blueprint. Here, healing is not found in pills, but in air, water, food, sunlight, movement, rest, and a life aligned with purpose. This channel is your guide to total wellness, natural lifestyle principles, healing foods and living waters, cleansing the body, renewing the mind, rebuilding life through divine laws of health. Architektonis Naturopathicus is more than a channel, it's a movement, a return to Eden's design where every element of creation speaks healing. Subscribe today, discover how nature restores. Architektonis Naturopathicus, the way back to wholeness.